This is my gaming setup. Uh, so my computer has plushie, and another plushie right here, and my controllers, my VR. That's my phone. I'm using my phone right now, and that's my katana. And that's actually my katana. I forgot that my katana was there, and this is my monitor. Goofy monitor. I forgot to say that I have an iPad. Here it is. My another iPad right here. My charger. I don't turn on my RGB lights on my gaming room because it's morning here, and I wanna turn on it on night. Joke. I don't wanna turn on my RGB lights.